Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm coming at you guys with another video. So in this video I will be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. This month's BoxyCharm theme was Rock 2018. So I'm gonna go through all the items that are in here as I'm going through my makeup process. So this palette is called Glam Metals by Crown Pro. This is what it looks like. And I thought that the mirror that came in this was so cute. It's like a little guitar. They're really pretty colors. So if you guys want to see what's in my BoxyCharm and where I go with this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my Ruby Kisses primer potion. Since there's no basic setting color in this powder, like a beige or something like that, I'm gonna go into my Airspun loose powder, what I'm gonna bake with when I put my concealer. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit to set that potion that I put, that Ruby Kisses potion. And I'm using this Jonaly EB13 to just set that primer. This is really gonna make it so much smoother when I apply the other colors. They're just gonna glide on and blend very easily. I'm gonna take this little fluffy brush that came in my Kylie Royals Peach palette, and I'm gonna go into the color Glam Rock, which is like a brownie metallic type of color. So I'm just gonna apply this very lightly onto my lid, and I'm gonna work my way up to create sort of like a transition color. Just sliding it all over, and then I'm gonna bring it up into the transition area to just give my eye a nice wash of color. Okay, that palette once again didn't have like a shimmery golden highlighter color, so I'm gonna go into another item that came in the BoxyCharm. So this is called the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. It is stunning. The colors are simply gorgeous. I'm gonna take this middle shade, which is the highlighting color, and I'm gonna apply this on my eyebrow bone, like my brow bone, to just give it just a nice little highlight. You guys can see it's so beautiful. I'm just bringing it down and blending it with that bronzy color. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the color Glam Rock and that really beautiful highlight color that I got in the Pure palette, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, taking an angled brush, I'm using my Morphe M207 brush. I'm gonna go into the color Black Metal, and I'm gonna create a wing liner. Now I'm gonna go into the color Rebel, which is like a bronzy, golden, orangey color. I'm actually going to apply that over that black wing liner that I already created. So I kind of want to have like a double wing liner type of thing going on. You guys can see the pigmentation on this palette is very nice, but as usual when it comes to metallic colors or sparkly colors, I always like to wet my brushes. Now you can completely stop here if you would like. This already looks really nice. It has really good pigmentation. You can throw on some mascara or pop on some lashes, and you can call it a day and you have a really nice look. But you guys know I've been obsessed with the glitter, and I found a glitter that is pretty much identical to this, a bronze. So I'm gonna pop this glitter on. This is the beautiful color. Okay, to really emphasize that black metal color, I'm gonna go in with my NYC liquid liner. So I'm just tracing over where I did that black metal color, just to kind of intensify it, because that glitter kind of made it go away. Okay, I'm gonna go in now with some lashes that I found in my local beauty supply. They're the 747M. They're kind of wispy, really pretty. I'm using the same eyelash glue I'm always using that I just finished using to apply the glitter. It is my Kiss Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. Okay, so while those lashes dry, we're gonna move on to the next item that came in the BoxyCharm, which is the IT Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. I always clean up my eyebrows before I fill them in. So I'm just gonna make small strokes right underneath the brow. And I'm just going upwards in the front because me personally, my hairs grow up and then weird, but I like how that looks on my face. And now I'm gonna take the brush that comes on the other end and I'm just going to brush through the hair so that it can look more natural. And I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper in clear and I'm just gonna comb through the brow hairs. So I'm just gonna pinch my lashes together. I'm gonna take my Tarte the Tardiest mascara, which I got in another BoxyCharm and I've been loving, by the way. And I'm just gonna blend my natural lashes with the false lashes that I just put. I'm gonna take just a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in Light Ivory, and I'm just gonna clean up right under my eyebrows just a tiny bit, because when I added the pencil it came down just a little bit and I really like it to be nice and crispy underneath my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna go back into that soft shade and that pure palette and just put a little bit more right under the eyebrow. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the face and another product that came in the BoxyCharm. So we're gonna be using a Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Oh, right away it feels really good on the skin. I like how it feels. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Pixie Correction Concentrate Brightening Peach Corrector, and I'm just gonna apply that with my finger onto my dark circles before we move on to the foundation. And I'm just gonna take my beat up L'Oreal Beauty Sponge and I'm gonna push that into my skin. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cream Beige. Just put it everywhere. And of course, my L'Oreal Beauty Sponge to just push it into my skin. Okay, I'm gonna conceal now using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Light Ivory Concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna set that concealer with my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now with whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just gonna push it all through my skin on my face. Okay, I'm gonna move on now and finish the eyes off while I'm setting my concealer. I'm I'm gonna go back into that color Black Metal, and I'm gonna bring this color right under the lower lash line just to bring some dimension to my lower lash line. And I just want it right only on the outer edge. Now I'm gonna go into this like burgundy-ish, brownish kind of metallic color. It's called Wild Thing. And I'm just gonna run that across the whole lower lash line. I'm gonna finish with some mascara to my lower lashes. I'm gonna go back into the Dreamer Pure Cheek Palette, the Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm gonna go into this bronzy color, and I'm going to try and bronze my skin with it. I'm gonna be applying it with my Real Techniques contour brush. Woo! So that is super duper pigmented, so you really want to have a very light hand. Woo! That is hella bronze. Double chin, of course, y'all. So since you guys can see that this color was a little bit more pigmented than I expected, I'm gonna do two things to try and fix it. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into my powder, and I'm just going to sharpen underneath. Alright, while that sits for a bit, we're gonna go into the highlight. I'm gonna be using my Morphe R40 brush, and I'm gonna go into that center highlighting golden champagne color, and we're gonna highlight, girls. Oh my gosh, look at that. I know, y'all, I'm looking super crazy, but that is where my wonderful, amazing motor brush is gonna come in and blend it all out and make it look fabulous. I'm gonna take that Morphe M168, seems to be like a small pencil brush, and I'm just gonna add that highlighter shade right into the inner corner. You guys know I live for this step. I cannot do my makeup without it. Ugh. I'm gonna take that favorite brush that I was just talking about, my Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush, but I love it for blending out my whole face. So I'm just gonna brush everything off with the brush. I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go into the color Rock On, which is like this greenish kind of color, really pretty. And I'm just gonna pop that into the inner corner as well. And that Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush to just blend it all out. Okay, it's time to move on to the last item in this month's BoxyCharm, and it is a Galactic matte lip paint in the color Demure. It is a beautiful color. I think that with this eye, this color will go very well. Looks very promising. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I hope this formula is nice. This color is stunning. As stunning as this color is, I don't know what it is, but I'm just not feeling it with the look. So I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss that I have been completely obsessed with, and it is by the lovely Gabriella Lascano. It is by, well, it's actually by Mickey Song Cosmetics, and it's in collaboration with Miss Gabriella Glamour, and she is just fabulous. And this lip gloss is called Rosé Bliss. So it is just absolutely stunning. So I'm just gonna apply it on top. Yeah, I see that pigmentation in this gloss. It's ridiculous. Okay, one final brush through before we set everything. And And I'm just gonna set my face with my favorite setting combo, which is my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I got this also in my BoxyCharm. I have been obsessed since I got it. And my Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up 24-hour setting spray to finish it off. Overall, in this month's BoxyCharm Rock 2018, I got $144 worth of product for $21. They definitely started off the year with a bang. It's ridiculous, so I'm really excited to see what February will bring. And if you guys are not subscribed to BoxyCharm, click the link below that it will send you guys to BoxyCharm's website and you guys will be able to sign up. It's a really awesome subscription service, so be sure to sign up. Like, you guys get high-end makeup for the low. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over every item and how much individually they cost. So Dr. Brandt's Pore No More Luminizer Primer was $38. I will be using this a lot and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. The Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, this was $25. Overall, I like this palette. Honestly though, okay, so here it goes. I like the palette. I love the mirror. I think that is so unique. That's not something that we get all the time, and palettes is so cool. But I'm not really too crazy about the pigmentation of the black on its own. It does not stand very strong at all. The metals are fabulous, especially wet. But I'm not sure if it's the packaging or the eyeshadows, but there is some kind of smell coming from this palette that it really bothers me. And honestly, just because of that smell, I really don't think that I will reach for this palette to play with it. But it is a super good palette. This Galactic Matte Lip Paint in the color Demure, this was $23. I like the formula. It felt a little bit drying right before I put the lip gloss, but of course matte lipstick normally is drying. I really can't tell you right now what the formula is like. I will wear it throughout the day and see how it holds up, but I really like this color. So yeah, this was $23. The Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette was $34. I think that this is the one called Dreamer. Guys, I'm not really a blush person, so that's why I didn't go into this blush, but I will be using that as an eyeshadow because it is stunning. I love the highlight color in here. The bronze color is so beautiful. Just use it with a light hand and just really build it up. I would really like to play with that color on the eyes as well. So yeah, this palette was $34. The last item was the It's Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and I have to say that I love this so far. I used it when I did this eyebrow, and now I did this eyebrow, and I have to say that I absolutely adore how it blends. I feel like it looks so natural on the brows, and that is definitely my kind of pencil. This pencil was $24. So yeah guys, that was my January 2018's BoxyCharm. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and please don't forget to click that little notification bell so that you guys are notified whenever I drop a video. Also, really quickly, if you guys have joined BoxyCharm since you guys have seen my reviews, let me know below, because that makes me feel so good that I recommended something to you guys and you guys took my word and went and you guys got it. And do you guys love it? Do you guys not love it? Let me know, guys. I appreciate you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.